Two men allegedly stalked a pair of women around Holland Village for nearly an hour before offering them a ride that ended in a horrifying turn of events. One of the women, an Australian celebrating her birthday, would later wake up to find herself the victim of a serious crime. On the night of 30th of January 2021, a 33-year-old woman had dinner with her friends in Dempsey before heading over to Holland Village for drinks. As the night ended, the group planned to continue their gathering at someone's house. But when the bar closed, the woman and one of her friends struggled to get a ride. That's when two men, 42-year-old Donabalan Fok Jin Jin and 36-year-old Lee Kit, approached them at a nearby bus stop near the MRT station and offered a lift. Unknown to the women, the pair had allegedly been watching and following them for close to an hour. The two women, heavily intoxicated, accepted the offer and were driven to the birthday woman's condominium. During the ride, one of the women vomited. She later recalled waking up in a dark room, lying on a bed beside her friend, who had her eyes closed, with the two men laughing on either side of the bed. Alarmed, she told them to stop and go away. According to the prosecution, the birthday celebrant was then sexually assaulted by Fok. Her friend was not physically harmed, but witnessed enough to testify in court about what happened that night. Later, while driving home, Fok reportedly told Lee he was worried about getting into trouble with the police. He also realized he had lost his phone, possibly at the victim's home. The men returned to the condominium to search for it. But before they could retrieve the device, they were arrested in the lift lobby. Lee was sentenced earlier in March 2024 after pleading guilty to a charge of molestation. He received 20 months jail and 4 strokes of the cane. Now Fok is on trial for 1 count of rape. The prosecution says he does not deny having sex with the woman. The only question is whether it was consensual. Deputy Public Prosecutor David Menon argued that the woman was far too drunk to give any form of consent. The court will hear evidence about how alcohol affected her ability to think, as well as audio and video recordings, observations from Lee, and testimony from other witnesses who saw her condition that night. Importantly, the prosecution also pointed to Fok's own conversation with Lee after the incident, where he expressed fear of getting into trouble, as key evidence showing guilt. Lee is expected to testify against Fok as a prosecution witness. What do you think? If someone is too drunk to even stay awake, can they ever truly give consent? And should people who exploit such vulnerable moments face heavier punishments? If you find this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, 2230.